In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up SlidesMate AI. First, we have the account details. Here you can see information about your SlidesMate AI license and buy a new license key. You can use SlidesMate AI if you have a valid OpenaAI API key. Access the link and log in. Now click on Manage Account, and under API Keys, you can create a new key. Add this key inside SlidesMate AI and update preferences. Under Options, we have General User Preferences. Here you can update the language, enable or disable information tooltips, and update your account type. If language is changed, then all output will be in selected language. The account type has a direct impact on the add-on execution time. If you have an organizational account, the runtime is of maximum 30 minutes, while for personal account, the maximum runtime is of 6 minutes. Ready to unlock the potential of SlidesMate AI? Get started today and revolutionize your presentation experience.